If you're learning a new musical instrument and you're getting to grips with music notation for the first time, you'll know just how impossible it can feel to focus on the technique, the bowing or the fingering or the fretting or the embouchure or however you make your music, and at the same time decipher all those little symbols that are jumping around on the page in front of you. And it's really important that you're able to read music freely and without hesitation, so you can concentrate on the business of making sound, because of course that's what music making is really about. I've been involved in adult music education for 40 years, and I've taught clarinet, saxophone, lots of guitar of course, songwriting, music theory, general musicianship, ear training, improvisation, all sorts. And for over 30 years I've been teaching at City Lit. It's the UK's foremost and largest adult education institute in the heart of London, and I'm immensely proud of the work we do there. And you know, adults really do learn a bit differently. Even complete beginners have some experience that they want to bring into their current learning. Misconceptions maybe, preconceptions probably, blind spots perhaps, half-remembered things from years ago and so on. So it really does help to have a rational, methodical, step-by-step approach to processing and retaining all this new information. And that's why I've put this book together, A Guide to Reading Music, to help you understand music notation as easily and as painlessly as possible. It has clearly laid out sections, each one building on the last. It has loads of easy to follow examples and plenty of places for you to check your progress, and all accompanied by a dedicated video on YouTube with 100 different audio examples and illustrations, so you can hear and see what's going on while you learn. And aside from my teaching, I do have a huge amount of experience in producing books, either as an author or editor, starting with this little guitar guide that I wrote for Collins back in 2004, and the Hal Leonard Guide to Rhythm and Counting, Abracadabra Beginning Theory, a gentle introduction to theory in the popular Abracadabra series for Collins, The Complete Ukulele Player, also for Hal Leonard. And if you follow my guitar tutorials, you may know that I produced the Bob Dylan Complete, the official collection of every song ever written and recorded by Bob Dylan. I was also series editor of A New Tune a Day, the updated version of the old A Tune a Day series, famous but a little long in the tooth. This series now has over 60 titles, been translated into lots of languages, and it's become the world's biggest selling music tutor series. So hopefully all that gives you an idea of what I'm about. I'm not particularly keen on the hard sell, and I don't like to blow my own trumpet, but I am very pleased with the way this little book and the accompanying video have turned out. Take a look at the video if you want to get an idea of the look and feel of this. But hopefully this book is ready to help you in your journey to reading and writing music.